Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So we have to start with opening the developer options and then finding a suitable option. So let's start with opening the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Now scroll and find Build Number. Now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. However, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter to confirm the whole step. So let me do it. We've got this information that we are a developer, so now we can go back. And then let's enter System and Updates and tap on Developer Options. Here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, they will be applied if the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.